Hello, my name is Aman Kalabay, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate my assignment number 2 for a data collection course. So my project names is e-scooter sharing platforms. It's a small dataset simulating how users can rent uh, scooters for the short trips in different cities. So the project have 4 tasks. Let's start from task number 1. It's a database creation. So what I will do here is connect to a local SQLite database, then create 3 tables called riders, trips, and trips riders with a foreign keys, and load CVC files into the pandas data frames, and insert the data frame records into the SQL tables, and a quick validation by proving the first few row, I mean 5 row. Yes, let's start. Here's an imports, here's a connects to my uh, database. So what was let's start from creating a data table. Yes, let's start from creating a table called riders, trips, which bunch of columns, and trips riders. Then I'm going to load CVC files. I mean, my CVC files is located here in export folder. So I mean CVC file is located in not folder, I mean here, and I'm going to prove that it have a 500 rows in my riders trips table. So I'm going to print each table, previewing the first 5 rows for each table, riders, trips, and riders trips. The next one is building a joint view across my tables. Yes, here's a query, and here I'm going to load data into the pandas data frames to work with it in the next task. Yes, check the first 5. It's really exists. Yes, it's really exists. Have a connections. Then I'm going to the task number 2 is file formattation. So what I will do here is export the combined data frame to the multiple formats such as CVC, TXT, Excel, JSON, XML, and HTML. Then save into the combined data frames to the multiple formats. The validating that everything is created. Yes, it's created, we can see by proving it, and we can see the list. What else? Yes, let's, and here we're going to load our database CVC files to work with it. Into the next task is task number 3. It's a NumPy. In the sections I'm focused on numerical arrays, building number arrays from a dataset, distance, kilometer, and the duration means it's columns of my table. Yes, and here I'm going to show creation methods, indexes, slices, booleans. I mean all of this requirements that exist in our assignment. Yes, we're going to load. So yes, work within it. So here actually exists bunch of bunch of methods. Let me just preview a few methods. So here I have a Python list I'm going to demonstrate, and this one is a 1D, this one is a 2D, and the fill array, and here I'm going to bunch of operations. Here I have a array size, array shapes, array type, etc. Yes, here we can get the first row. I mean, index is 0 and the 2 is third element. I'm going to take it here, a bunch of operations. I mean, here we have simulated missing data. What else? I think I covered all requirements. We can see here, but time is not so much. So yes, let me jump to the next one. Is the task number 4, pandas master. In this section I am focused on data with pandas, work with series, data frames, transfer data, handling missing data, concatenate and join, and etc. Yes, here's a bunch of codes where I'm going to cover all the requirements showing, previewing with its outputs, with it validating. Yes, I think that is all from my side. Yes, I covered all of them, and thank you for your attendance.